I'm back. So the next thing I wanted to show you was this Frankincense and Mandarin shower cream. And this is for the facials. We use this in the facial, and we use this in the leg shores. It cleanses and moisturises to leave skin smooth and refreshed. It doesn't foam, but it does clean and washes. You can use this in the shower. I use it in the facial and I just take it off with hot towels. It's only Mandarin and bergamot oils. And it is really nice. I've got some of the scrub at home, and I use that on my legs. I must get it out again. So that's the shower cream. Oh, something else. What is this? Oh, right. So this is the Create Your Own Face and Body Lotion. We have our body massage students at the moment who will be doing case studies over the summer, and I've got some of this in for them because they need to work with lotions as well as oils and talc and things like that. So this is the unfragranced Create Your Own Face and Body Lotion. So you can add carrier oils or flower remedies or tinctures or hydrosols to it, and you can use it as a facial cleanser or as a face and body moisturiser. So Amy is going to be using this during the summer, as is Julie. Unfragranced, again, goes with the ointment there. And finally we have the Rejuvenating Frankincense Cleanser, which is a cleanser I personally use at home at night, with organic baobab oil and cocoa butter for a nourishing cleanse. You can use this on all skin types, but the frankincense range was originally developed for the mature skin. If you first sign of wrinkles, you get this range, and this is why I don't look 62. Okay, I use the frankincense range. Let's see, it's organic. Use morning and evening. Just massage it into dry skin. You can dampen a cotton pad or an organic muslin cloth in hand hot water and wipe away, and you get a gentle exfoliating effect. Rinse it off and pat dry. And that goes with the calendula cleanser that I mentioned yesterday. Again, it's something we use in the facials and facials and leg shores. Now there are two other things in here I want to show you, but they're both the same. I get a lot of questions about this. This is the room spray that we have in the toilets. Right, Neil's Yard Remedies toilet fragrance spray. They've had a bit of an update, and it now comes in a clear bottle because it doesn't need to be in the blue bottles. Blue bottles offer 98% protection against UV rays and helps preserve what goes in there. This is the Balancing Room Spray. I think this is gorgeous. I really love this stuff. I'm going to just spray it up, because I'm not going to spray it on me. There it is. So don't use it on skin, basically. Don't spray it in your eyes either. It's definitely a room spray with bergamot and patchouli, which is why I love it so much. I love patchouli. I'm an old hippie. This is now going to go into one of the toilets because we ran out over lockdown. And this one, if you want to buy it, ask me and I will look up the price, because this is a spare. If you want to buy it, let me know. That's it. No more in there. There is just one last thing I want to say. If you want to book a treatment with me, a facial or a facial or a leg shop or Reiki or crystal healing, they're available next Wednesday to Friday, 10 till 4, and I'll throw in a little bottle of hand sanitizer, the wonderful Organic Defence hand sanitizer. I'll throw one of those in for you if you book with me. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 till 4. Just get in touch and I'll do a treatment for you. Oh, Michelle's posted. They are amazing. I take them with me when I visit care homes. And why not? They really are good. I take it you're referring to these room sprays. Anyway, that's all from me for this week. I will be back next Wednesday with more boxes because I've got more orders to come in, and I'm going to pack away now. I'm going to clear this room, and I will see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Pubs are open. Bye now.